around and have a look at what we did, cause the world we live in is a catastrophe. Now it's time to stop and reap what we've done. Now before we'll not where we belong gone. Just raise your head and look at the birds. Tell them goodbye, nice to hear you, son. I don't know if you want kids, but I want some. And even if you don't be a selfish moron, let's use your hand, drop your phone. Use your head, don't drop your neurons. Hey humans, we're not there to spend our money, and we're not there easy to spread guacamole. Just raise your head and look at the birds. Tell them goodbye, nice to hear you.
Il n'y a jamais de souveraineté algérienne.
Hey humans, what have we done? 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 Now it's time to have a look at our politics. Mr. Green was the world, let's not see for him. And as voting doesn't seem to change a thing, let's take the street, that's where it all begins. And raise our heads to look at the birds. Tell them goodbye, nice to hear you, son. I know it's hard to change the way we live. If we don't do it for ourselves, we owe it to our kids. Maybe we don't need that design a fancy dress. The jungle in Indonesia deserves some rest, as we don't need a phone that costs to rent. Let's use our money on sustainable things and raise our heads to look at the birds. Tell them goodbye, nice to hear you, nice to hear you, son. Hey humans, what have we done? 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 Turn around and have a look at what we've lived. It's between what we sow and what we waste. I know singing it out won't change a thing. Red, but blonde folks, let's go back to our roots and raise our heads to look at the birds. Tell them goodbye, nice to hear you, son. 7 billion people less than 30 billionaires. You don't see what's wrong, go back to college. 300 countries and thousands of wars, killing every species, a human as now. As we're all responsible for the mess we're in, we should all raise our voices together and sing. We raise our heads to look at the birds. Tell them goodbye, nice to hear you, nice to hear you, son. Hey humans,